Also known as orcas, these majestic creatures are the largest members of the dolphin family, growing to anywhere from 23 to 32 feet in length, 7 to 9.7 meters, and weighing between 12,000 to 22,000 pounds, 5,500 to 10,000 kilograms. Killer whales are highly social animals, traveling in pods that can consist of as many as 40 individuals. These pods are family members working together to hunt, play, and raise their calves. They communicate with each other using a complex system of clicks, whistles, and calls, which is so diverse that different populations of killer whales worldwide have distinct dialects specific to their region. Killer whales are also known for their acrobatic abilities and can jump up to 20 feet, 6 meters, out of the water, a behavior known as breaching. This serves several purposes: communication, hunting, and just plain fun. Orcas have also been known to slap their tails and fins on the water's surface, a behavior known as lobtailing, which may be used for communication or hunting. Despite their name, killer whales are not known to attack humans in the wild. In fact, they are highly intelligent and curious creatures that have been known to approach boats and even playfully interact with their human observers. However, their sheer size and power make them formidable in the ocean. Killer whales are apex predators, meaning they sit at the very top of the natural food chain, and their hunting tactics are highly coordinated. Their main prey includes fish, squid, seals, sea lions, and even other whales. To catch their prey, they use a variety of techniques, including stealthy underwater approaches, surprise attacks, and coordinated efforts to corral their prey. They have also been known to spy hop, or poke their heads above the water's surface to better locate prey. One of the killer whale's most impressive hunting techniques is carousel feeding, where they work together to create a circular wave that forces a school of fish to the surface. Once the fish are trapped, the killer whales take turns diving down to grab mouthfuls of their prey. This method of hunting is not only effective, but is also a display of their remarkable intelligence and ability to work together as a team. Killer whales are long-lived animals, with females usually living 50 to 90 years and males between 30 to 60 years. They reach sexual maturity at about 10 to 15 years of age and can have offspring throughout their lifetime. Female killer whales usually have a calf every 3 to 10 years, with the gestation period lasting up to 18 months. Calves are born weighing up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms, and are cared for by their mothers and other members of the pod for several years. The killer whale's complex social structure and hunting tactics have made them one of the most successful predators in the ocean, with no natural predators of their own. However, they face a range of threats, including pollution, overfishing of their prey, and habitat loss. Climate change also impacts their food sources and could alter their migration patterns. Despite these challenges, the killer whale continues to fascinate and inspire us, reminding us of the incredible power and beauty of the natural world. With their intelligence, strength, and complex social lives, the killer whale is a true marvel of the ocean. Like all marine mammals, killer whales must come to the surface to breathe. They have the capability to hold their breath for up to 15 minutes at a time, allowing them to dive to incredible depths in search of prey. Killer whales have a varied diet, depending on their location and the time of year. They are opportunistic predators, meaning they will eat whatever is available. In some areas, their diet consists mostly of fish, while in others, they may feed on seals, sea lions, penguins, and even other whales. Their hunting behavior is both impressive and coordinated. Killer whales have developed unique hunting strategies, such as the famous carousel method, in which they work together to corral a school of fish into a tight ball, before taking turns swimming through the center and eating their fill. In addition, killer whales have been known to beach themselves in order to catch seals and sea lions. Despite their reputation as top predators, killer whales are also known for their playful and social behavior. They are highly intelligent animals, with complex social structures and communication systems. They use a number of clicks, whistles, and other vocalizations to communicate with each other and locate prey. Killer whales are also incredibly loyal to their families, forming tight bonds that last a lifetime. In fact, some pods have been known to adopt orphaned calves and care for them as their own. When it comes to mating, killer whales are also highly social animals, often mating within their own pod. Females typically give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of around 17 months. The calf is born tail first and can weigh up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms. It is then nursed by its mother for up to 2 years before becoming fully independent. While killer whales are not considered endangered, they are still vulnerable to threats such as pollution, overfishing, and habitat loss. In some areas, killer whales have been hunted for their meat and blubber, which can be used for food and other products. Killer whales are known to live in every part of the world's oceans, from the Arctic to the Antarctic. There are at least 10 different ecotypes of killer whales, each with its own unique physical characteristics, hunting strategies, and diet. For example, the resident ecotype found along the west coast of North America primarily feeds on salmon, while the transient ecotype preys on seals and sea lions. Interestingly, killer whales have been known to exhibit cultural behaviours, passing on hunting techniques and vocalizations from one generation to the next. In fact, some researchers have identified distinct cultures among different killer whale populations, which have been shaped by their unique environment and hunting strategies. While killer whales are highly intelligent and adaptable animals, they are still facing threats from human activities. For example, overfishing has depleted many of the prey species that killer whales rely on, making it harder for them to find enough food. In addition, pollution and habitat loss have impacted killer whale populations in some areas. One of the most famous killer whale populations is the southern resident, which live off the coast of Washington state as well as British Columbia. This population has declined in recent years, with only around 70 individuals remaining in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic population, including reducing boat traffic and noise levels and increasing prey availability. In addition to their ecological importance, killer whales also play a significant role in the cultural traditions of many indigenous communities around the world. For example, the Tlingit and Haida people of southeast Alaska have long-standing relationships with killer whales, whom they view as kin and respect as fellow intelligent beings. In conclusion, killer whales are truly remarkable animals that continue to fascinate and inspire us with their intelligence, social behaviour, and hunting abilities. While they face a variety of threats in the modern world, efforts are being made to protect these scary yet docile creatures and ensure that they continue to thrive in our oceans for generations to come.